Hello, I'm Erin Halvorsen with Rugs by Erin, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming trip that we're going to start the week after 4th of July 2018, and we're going to probably be returning home on the first week or so of August. And we're going to be leaving from Central Florida, and we're going to be incorporating also Halvorsen Camping Journal along this trip as well, so you can follow me on Facebook, Rugs by Erin, or on Facebook, Halvorsen Camping Journal will be posting along the way. But we're going up all the way up the East Coast, avoiding the big cities like DC and New York City and Baltimore. And we're going to be going into North Vermont, where I'm going to be doing a demonstration just below the Canadian border. So I'm kind of shouting out there because sometimes I stop along the way and I visit people who are doing demonstrations or teachings or an interaction with your group. So if you're interested in possibly participating in something like that or organizing something, you can go ahead and email me at ragrugsbyerin@gmail.com, which I'll have that in the bottom there. And you can also look at some of my other trips that I've done with other people on my channel. So give me a shout out if you're interested in participating. Okay, thank you.